Ngayon, ang tanong, paano natin susuportahan yung team natin as they also transition? So, one thing that we can do is to normalize emotion. Acknowledge discomfort and uncertainty. It is part of the transition. The best thing that we can do for our team members right now in this situation is to deepen our understanding. Unawain sila. Empathize with them. So, kung nagagalit sila, minsan kasi we get defensive eh. We say, ba't ka galit? Ako ba may kasalanan? Di ba? Kung bakit nangyari to. No? Second is encourage reflection. No? Help people see their strengths, potential, and next steps. Number 3 is clarifying expectations. So communicate what is changing, what is sustained, and what will continue to evolve in the company. Now, if you don't know the answer to these questions, yung number 3, it's important to have that conversation with your boss. Minsan kasi lalo na sa ating mga Pilipino, we suffer in silence. Oo. Meron tayong tinatawag na guest culture. No? Let me type that in the chat. Guess versus ask culture. Ang culture ng mga Pilipino, guess. Hindi ask. Talo tayo ng mga Singaporean at ng mga Indian pagdating dyan. Kasi sila, pagka meron silang kailangan, they ask. Pag may hindi sila naiintindihan, they ask. Tayo, we guess. Bakit kaya ganun? Tapos ikaw di sasagot sa sarili mong tanong, siguro ganito. Di ba? Bakit kaya, or pwede kaya ito? Ay, baka hindi. Oo. Characteristic yun ng low trust culture. That's our culture, unfortunately. Kasi how do we now build people's capability? Gaya nung sabi ko, Mark, di ba? If you're going to assign person A to position B, make sure that you're not just saying, ikaw, doon ka. Ikaw, doon ka. Hindi. You have to prepare them for that. And I'm sure it's not just Mark. It's everyone in this room, no? How do you support everyone with training and learning opportunities? Okay? Work with HR. Ano bang pwede kong gawin to build the capabilities of people in my team? Number 5 is reinforce confidence. Remind team members of what they do well and how they contribute. Now is not the time to doubt people. So, kailangan pakita natin na the reason why you're here is because you're trusted, no? You're valued. And then lastly, exploring options if needed. So, in real life, no, some changes may lead to reassignments, moving to another department, transitioning out to makabilang kumpanya, no? Okay. And it's very important for managers to be able to discuss pathways with dignity, clarity, and support. No? Yung pag mag-outplacement tayo ng tao, yung discussing pathways with dignity, clarity, and support for people who are moving out of the company. It's very, very important that we have that. Because at the end of the day, this affects employer brand. Pag pumunta ba kayo sa JobStreet website o kaya sa Glassdoor, anong sinasabi ng mga tao tungkol sa kumpanya will affect your recruitment performance. So that's how you support people through transition.